Quick note. I can't write in any specific creator's exact voice, but here's a high-energy, punchy narration built for audience retention. If you think your high-paying job is safe from AI, think again. The next wave isn't just hitting low-wage work, it's quietly squeezing top salaries. By 2030, reports suggest tens of millions of roles could be automated or reshaped, and two-thirds of jobs are already exposed to some level of AI. Let's hit the top 5 high-paying jobs AI will replace, or ruthlessly compress, sooner than you think. Number 5. Paralegals and legal researchers. Large language models already draft briefs, summarize discovery, and pull case law in seconds. Law firms don't need 10 juniors if one attorney can command AI to do first drafts. Expect fewer seats and fierce competition for what's left. Number 4. Accountants and tax preparers. AI handles reconciliations, categorization, variance checks, and tax prep flows with audit trails. What used to take a team now takes one pro plus automation. The work shifts from doing math to reviewing edge cases. Fewer billable hours, fewer roles. Number 3. Financial analysts. Forecasting, comps, earnings summaries, credit memos. AI can pull, clean, and model data instantly. Senior judgment still matters, but junior analyst stacks get thinner. Hiring for entry level has already dipped where automation is in play. Number 2. Copywriters and marketing creatives. Ad variants, landing page copy, SEO briefs. AI can generate, test, and iterate non-stop. Great strategy wins, but routine content work? Automated. The top creatives stay. Everyone else competes with a tireless machine. Number 1. Software engineers, especially routine coders. Code assistants write functions, tests, docs, and refactors at scale. One strong engineer can ship like 3. The bar rises to architecture, product sense, and AI orchestration. Pure ticket-cranking roles are on the chopping block. And here's the kicker: postings for AI-exposed white-collar roles are already sliding as companies lean on automation. Yes, AI creates new jobs, but not one-to-one, and not fast enough for everyone who doesn't reskill. So, panic to plan, here's your playbook. Learn to lead AI, not fight it. Prompt engineering, tool chaining, QA. Move up the stack strategy, client management, compliance, domain expertise. Build proof-ship micro-projects, demos, portfolios that show AI-augmented output. Specialized niche knowledge beats generic execution. Pick an industry and go deep. Become the multiplier design workflows that make teams 2 to 5x faster. Your job isn't just tasks, it's outcomes. If AI can do the tasks, make sure you own the outcome. Adapt now or watch the market adapt you. If your role was on this list, don't freeze. Pick one skill, one tool, one project this week. The people who pair human judgment with machine speed are about to run the table.